You've reached the end of this module on the building blocks of a program. In this module, you've discovered how to work with arrays, objects, and functions. You've also discovered how to prevent errors in your code. It's now time to recap the key topics you learned and skills that you gained. You began the module with an introduction to arrays, objects, and functions. Now that you've completed this lesson, you can explain the purpose of functions and describe their benefits, outline the process for building an array and accessing its contents, and you now understand the array characteristics and concatenation operators of strings. You can also build and call functions, create custom objects, explain how math objects work, and interact with arrays and objects. During this module, you also undertook a series of exercises in which you demonstrated your ability to utilize functions to solve simple problems, add strings to arrays, and add properties to objects. You then moved on to the next lesson, in which you explored the concept of error prevention. During this lesson, you discovered how to recognize the differences between bugs and errors, demonstrate try-catch blocks, and explain the concepts of undefined, null, and empty string values. You also completed several readings in which you learned how to recognize common types of errors in JavaScript, including syntax, logical, and runtime, and engage in defensive programming. You should now be familiar with arrays, objects, and functions, and you should also have developed your skills in error prevention. Great work! You're making good progress on your journey to becoming a JavaScript developer.